We are verifying the claims and compliments.
As many as 238 students were on Saturday conferred degrees at NIT Shillong during the 10th Convocation ceremony of the institute held at the State Convention Centre, Shillong. Dr. Arun Kumar Sarma, Director General of Northeast Centre for Technology Application and Reach, NECTA, was the chief guest on the occasion. 3 institute gold medals were awarded to Akshat Chaudhary for MTech, Ms. Prerana Bakli for MSc and Dishant Bhattacharjee for BTech for Best Academic Performance in the respective programs. Institute silver medals were also awarded to the students for the Best Academic Performance in the respective department and programs.
I did mention this is very important part of this very important time for the country now, that we have to work for the country. So the students who basically graduated, they should not be stick with their the normal work that they have to do. They have to think something unique, something different, and then think in such a way so that they can contribute for the country.
The Cherry Blossom Festival